Weather and more showers. It's very gray outside today. Trying to figure out when that's going to be over with, though.
Marcus. Start to see the breaks in the clouds this weekend. We might have a couple here and there on Wednesday, but I think that the drier stretch of weather lies ahead of us. We'll wait for a cold front to emerge from the north. And once that sweeps across central Florida, your weekend temperatures will be taking a trip down south. 68 degrees overnight heading into Saturday coming up. But before that, mid and lower 70s for our inland communities. Weekend planner does show those afternoon temperatures trending cool too. Saturday, 83 degrees, just like Sunday, but we only show a 20% coverage of showers on Sunday coming up. So here's a look at Melbourne, where we have the ongoing showers, gray skies, as you mentioned, summer, and that breeze from the east. That has temperatures in the lower 80s. 80 feels like 85 once you factor in the humidity. But the story for today has been the rain showers and how cool they've kept us this afternoon. Current temperatures show a mix of low 80s and the upper 70s. Looks like the coolest place to be, that's Ocala, where we're still watching the rain pull towards the west. We see that here on our live Doppler radar. In fact, let's go ahead and zoom in on Ocala. As we speak right now, the rain showers, they started off the hour as moderate. Now they're fairly light, pushing south and west across I-75. Out of Ocala and into Bellevue. Elsewhere towards the south in Claremont, you've got these showers racing across your neck of the woods along US 27 here, pulling from east to west. That's the primary flow behind the weather that we've seen so far today, courtesy of that Atlantic breeze pushing inland. Across Melbourne and Mico, you guys had some stronger showers about 2 hours ago. Now just lighter rain in the picture here at 6:17. But what's been left behind over the last 24 hours? Heaps of rain, right? We're talking about anywhere between 7 and 9 inches of rain across US 192. If you're in Osceola County, out towards Melbourne, maybe about 4 to 5 inches of rain is what you've seen so far today. And we'll still see that chance for a few lingering showers before your evening comes to its conclusion. Overall flow, though, looks like it's towards the south and the west, in which we're watching these showers taper. We'll be stepping outdoors to mostly cloudy skies once the rain does come to an end early tomorrow, with a small chance for a coastal shower in the morning as that east coast breeze starts to fire up yet again. So 12 hours from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. do show that 60% chance for showers right smack dab in the middle at 1 o'clock. That's your coverage of the rain, how much of Central Florida showers will be hitting. But out towards the tropics, we're monitoring two distinct systems. This is new, a new disturbance on our radar now, and this is going to be moving over the Yucatan Peninsula, bringing heavy, strong showers across Belize and Mexico. Also strong gusty winds over the next few days, in which slow development is going to be possible. It'll start to slow down once it moves over land, but once it heads into the Gulf, that's where we could see those development chances actually increase, just like what we've shown with Invest 95L. This now shows an 80% chance for development over the next week, in which we could possibly see our next depression or perhaps even our next named storm. Now, some models are indicating that this could possibly be a hurricane, as it will be moving over warm waters in the Atlantic, water temperatures that are in the mid and the upper 80s, but staying very far away from us here in the United States. At first, it's a tight-knit group of spaghetti model plots, but once we head towards the Windward Islands on Thursday into Friday, we see a little bit of deviation taking place. Most of the models show that recurve courtesy of the Bermuda High, and that's the best case scenario for us here across the United States. But the wave energy generated by this storm may keep our wave heights high as we head into the middle of the month of October. Right now, though, wave heights are creating high surf advisories as the breaking waves are between 5 and 8 feet. That stretches from Flagler all the way through Volusia and Brevard County, and that'll extend all the way through Tuesday coming up. By Thursday, though, wave heights begin to subside. 4 to 6 foot conditions offshore and 3 to 6 foot conditions on Friday. But also along the coast, we'll be watching out for the rain chances, which we can reel in an extra 2 to 3 inches before your weekend is said and done. As we head into your inland 7-day forecast, notice on the weekend, rain chances are dwindling quickly, dropping from a 60% coverage on Friday to a 20% coverage of showers on Sunday as the sunshine is back in Central Florida.